Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. The topic which we'll be covering today is multi-threading in Java. If you want to know the basics of Java, please check out the playlist pinned in the I button above and also in the description box. So let's start. So now what is multi-threading? First of all, understand a thread. Thread is like a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. Okay, so multi-threading and multi-processing are both used to achieve multitasking, like where you're doing multitasking in your daily life similarly. Okay, but we prefer multi-threading over multitasking is because threads use a shared memory area. Okay, you do not have a separate memory area. If you use multitasking, you have separate memory area for each and every task. So advantages of multi-threading, it does not block the user. You can perform various operations together, so it saves time and it is independent. It is mostly used in games and animations, etc. So life cycle of a thread. Now as thread is a proper process, okay, you will be having different stages: new, runnable, blocked, waiting, timed wait, and terminated. Okay, so the in this I would not like to explain in detail because the keyword itself says it. New, it is a newly created, but the thread is not started, it is just created. Runnable, it is either in the running state or ready for execution, but it is waiting for its resource allocation. Blocked thread, if it is requiring it is waiting to acquire a monitor lock to enter or re-enter a synchronized block. Waiting for some other thread to perform a particular action without any time limit. So now if there are two threads and one thread is dependent on another thread, so one thread goes in the waiting state. Timed wait, this gives you the exact specified action you need for a specific period of time. The thread is in the timed waiting state, and terminated has completed its execution. Now how to create a thread? You can do it by extending a thread class or by implementing a runnable interface, which we'll be doing now. So we'll go for the demo. So I've already created a project called as multi-threading demo, and let's have a class called as demo. We have already seen we have two ways of creating a thread. First is by extending the thread class, which is inbuilt. Okay. So now here I'll have one method as public void run, which will have a simple sysout. Thread is in run mode, running state. Okay, and I'll just have a main method here, and I'll create an object of demo class d equal to new demo. Okay, and then I say d dot start. Okay, now let's run this and see. Okay, thread is in running state. I said start, it went into the run state. Okay, so now there is one more way of doing this, that is by implementing the runnable interface. Okay, so now it will say add the unimplemented method. So run method, you need to implement it here. So I'll test this out. Thread is running. Okay, and similarly how we did in the previous thing, main method. Okay, and we create a demo d equal to new demo. Now here we need to create an object of thread class also, because we are not extending the thread class, we are just implementing the runnable interface, and we will pass the object of the demo class, and we'll say th dot start. Okay, let's run this and see. Thread is running. Okay, so I've given a very basic example of multi-threading, how you can create a thread. And if you want to check out all the life cycle methods and want to see a detailed demo, please let me know in the comment box. We can do a tutorial on that as well. So hopefully the session was useful, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. Please check out the AWS tutorials as well, pinned in the I button above. Till then, stay happy. Let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.